Hello, Fly Babies. Hello, my lions. It's me, your FlyLady Kat. Today is Friday, the last business day of the week if you work a standard Monday through Friday. Now, if you're a nurse or work some other kind of shift work, just adjust this to fit your schedule. But today is Friday. We have our 3-layer cake. Do I still have my nail polish on? I do. 3-layer cake. The first layer is the routines. So if you don't know what the routines are, please go watch my video. I know I say it all the time, and to those of you who are here all the time, I'm preaching to the choir. But for people who are new, please go watch the video on my home page that's called How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies. It's 40 minutes long. Don't let that put you off. It's going to explain everything about this system. So when I say do your routines, you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, so we're going to do our morning routine. We're going to put our children through their routines. And if you have any other things, chores, etc., that must be done every morning, the word is must, then you're going to take care of those as well. I'm sorry, it got a little dark. I had to change my position. Okay, then if you're staying at home, you're an at-home fly baby, then you're going to do your laundry and your 1 inch of paper. Next, you'll be going right into the second layer, which is our basic weekly plan. Fridays is just a simple car and purse day, and I know you know what that is. If not, again, please watch the video. And then when you're done with that, you're going to go straight into the zone, and the zone we're in today is zone 3, the bathroom and 1 other room. You may have already taken care of everything in the bathroom this week. Now let's go ahead and work on that other room. So let's say it was your children's bedroom, and maybe yesterday you decided that you were going to clean out under their bed, and today you're going to straighten the floor of their closet. That's fine. Remember to do clutter checks every day, 3 times a day, to keep those areas from recluttering. You're going to have to bend over and look under the bed, open the closet and look at the floor. The areas that get cluttered, where they stash things, are part of your 3-time-a-day clutter check to keep that from happening, so that next month when you're in the zone 3 again, you can go back to their bedroom and work on something other than decluttering. Maybe you need to clean the baseboards in there. Maybe a really good vacuum under the bed. Maybe to polish all the furniture. Maybe that needs to happen. Maybe clean their blinds. But you can't ever get to those things if you're constantly decluttering. Okay, that's it for you until we hit the evening when we do our after dinner routine together. So hold tight. I'm going to go talk to the payroll lions, our payroll fly babies. So lions living in our new strength. You're going to leave the home today, payroll lions, and you're going to get in your mode of transportation, go to work, greet your coworkers, go to your beautiful desk, get your book out, open it up, your control journal. If you don't know what that is, please go to my playlist under control journals, and there's a work control journal video. And then on your break and your lunches, you're going to continue to handle in your head and sometimes physically things that are happening at home, so you have a real focus when you get there. So far this week, you've handled the weekly home blessing hour. Either you've delegated it, or you've done 1 thing a day when you came home, or maybe for some reason you were able to get it all done. Or maybe you haven't done any of it and you've decided you definitely like doing it on Saturday as 1 hour, and that's fine. But let's talk to you who are doing it in 10 to 15 minute increments every day. 10 usually. Oh no, I'm sorry. 10-minute increments every day. The 10 to 15 is your zone. We'll get there. So 10-minute increments. You've done the bed, you've done the dusting, and you've done the wiping of the glass, and you've emptied the garbage. Now today we're going to mop. So you're going to mop the kitchen in the traffic patterns. You're not going to mop under the table unless there's really bad food under there. You're just going to mop where you walk, in front of the pantry, in front of the refrigerator, in front of the stove, in front of the counters, in front of the sink, in front of the dishwasher, and up in the middle, maybe around the table, depending on how big your kitchen is. Quickly, you're not doing a custom job here. You're not doing a detail job. We're not perfectionist cleaning. We're just hitting this area. It's called blessing. Then you're going to go straight to the bathroom or bathrooms. Most bathrooms are about the size of a postage stamp. Pull up anything off the floor and give it a quick mop, or them a quick mop, and you're done. Now you can do this after you come home. So when you come home, you're going to put your laundry on, keep an ear out for it. I always tell you that so you know when to put it in the dryer and you know when to fold it and put it away. Or if your children, if it's their day, you're keeping an ear out for it because they won't, to remind them to put it in the dryer, to remind them to fold it and put it away, and then to inspect what you expect. All right, so when you first come home, you're going to do a clutter check, just like you do a clutter check first thing in the morning before everyone leaves. All the places where you know clutter goes, especially yours, because you set the example. And then when you come home from work, another quick one, because maybe the kids have been there for a bit, do a clutter check. Let them know on the way home, hey, I'm on my way home. Make sure everything looks tidy. Okay, so they can play, but they have to pick up after they play. That's the point. Of course, you encourage them to play. It's not that they can play. Of course, they're going to play. I should say it that way. So clutter check, laundry, paper, start dinner. When dinner is simmering, the quick 10-minute mop, or you can delegate. And then we're going to go straight to zone 3, which is the bathroom and one other room. Hopefully this week you did your two bathroom items and you've been working in your spare room. So just like I mentioned before, let's say it's the kids' room, that's something you could do. You may have chosen another room and that's perfectly okay. All right, after that we're gonna all come together, have dinner, one giant family, and everyone is responsible for taking their plate, walking it to the dishwasher and putting it in or putting it in the sink. Scraping it off if there's food on it first. Maybe your dishwasher needs to have your dishes rinsed first, whatever. Whatever you choose, that's going to happen. Anybody who's old enough to walk and carry a dish can do that. And then encourage the rest of your family to help you clean the kitchen. So someone is going to wash the pots and pans. Someone is going to wash the stove off, wipe it off, wipe the counters off, wipe up any spills off the floor, under the table, wipe the table down, wipe the baby's high chair down and around. So different jobs. You may only be one person with a baby, so you'll be doing it all. Or if your husband is there to help you, that will be marvelous because he lives there too. And this is something that we all do. We all flush the toilets behind ourselves and we all clean up behind ourselves. And that includes the meal that we've just eaten. Okay, after that we're going to do our before bed routine, another clutter check, and then the before bed routine. And don't forget to check your calendar twice. So you check it in the morning and check it at night to see what's going on Saturday. Tomorrow is Family Fun Day, so I hope you've planned something great. Also, it's Friday, so it is date night, everyone. So don't forget to date your spouse tonight. Do something fun. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.